Hey everyone, it's Colleen here with Colleen's Diamond Art, and I have 3 unboxings to do today. I have Thomas Kincaid, and it is Beside Still Waters. It's a 29 by 22 inch or 73.5 by 55.6 centimeters. And it has 89 colors, including 3 AB, 3 fairy dust diamonds, for a total of 66,304 total square drills. The second one is Trio of Poppies by Peggy, 33 inches by 22 inches, or 83.7 centimeters by 55.6 centimeters. It's 76 colors, including 3 AB and 3 fairy dust diamonds, for a total of 61,408 round drills. And then our last and final for today will be Yumeko by Margaret Morales. It's 22 inches by 30 inches, or 55.6 centimeters by 75.9 centimeters. It has 60 colors, including 2 AB and 4 fairy dust, for a total of 55,752 round drills. Okay, so I'm gonna get the canvas ready and I'll be right back. Okay, so here we have the first canvas. It is Beside Still Waters by Thomas Kincaid. And I got a bronze card. Here is the photo on our logbook sticker. Look at that river and the flowers beside it. It's just lovely. Okay. This is the palette. Oops, sorry, I was too close there. And these are the drills. So we have greens. I hope it's not too dark in here. It is evening. Red, yellow, white, light gray. I've always been a huge fan of Thomas Kincaid's. I used to do his puzzles and I would glue them and put them in photo frames and hang them on my wall. Let me just see if I can give you a close-up. Oh, it looks like, I know they're just, it's not, I thought we had a quad, but we don't. It's just the way that it appeared for a second. I was like, oh, do we have special drills here? This looks a lot like A Quiet Evening that I'm working on now. It's one of my whips, but this has special meaning behind it. When it came out, I thought about getting it. It was right when they released Thomas Kincaid's artwork, and I didn't grab it, and then I regretted it. And then when A Quiet Evening came out, I got that one, and as soon as this restocked, I had to get it. Even though it may look a lot like A Quiet Evening, I had to have this one. It's a very special one to me. All right, moving on to the next one. Okay, our next one is Trio of Poppies by Peggy Collins. Here is the silver card. I got a silver card, Trio of Poppies. I did not expect that. I never expect silver. I always, or do I? I don't know. Law of attraction. What am I attracting in my life? Lots of silver and gold. Okay, here's the picture for my sticker book, logbook. I love Peggy Collins' artwork. You've probably heard me say that a million times, but let me just show you okay, there's the palette. Okay, isn't that gorgeous? Look at those colors. I love this. This is my jam right here. Lots of red in there, pink. I see some orange, the bright orange that'll do, and lavender, yellow, gorgeous. Okay. And then look, I just love her artwork. It's watercolor. Okay. Do any of you have this canvas? Have you completed it? I don't think I've seen this one finished. I'd love to know if you have finished it so I can look at it. I haven't seen it. I have seen the flowers that look like quilts, and I do want to get that one. But right now I don't need it. We all know that. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, our final unboxing for today is Yumeko by Margaret Morales. And here is the photo up close. The card, the Treasure Quest card. And it is a bronze. Here is the image on the logbook, for your logbook, and the stickers. I will I'll zoom in on her, but I wanted to get all of her in here. Sorry for the glare, it's the light for this evening, and I didn't want to wait until tomorrow. Look at the colors, pink and purple and red, my favorite colors. I always get excited. Oh, all right, let's zoom in. She's pretty and she's sold out in minutes. Look at the cherry blossoms. She's pretty. She's gonna be fun to do. I love the color palette on this one. I hope you all can see it. Okay. All right. That's all we have for today. You all have a great one. Thanks for joining me. On your way out, if you could click like and subscribe and hit that bell, be notified when I upload more videos in the future. Take care. Bye.